So good day, I'm Jefferson Garo, and today we are going to tackle about the topic IP address. So we are going to tackle the meaning of IP address, the format of IP address, and also the types of IP addresses. Okay, so first, what is the meaning of an IP address? So the word IP and the IP address is means internet protocol. So IP address is also known as internet protocol address. So it is a unique address that computing devices such as phones, laptops, desktops, and different end devices have. So every every IP addresses must be unique. Okay. So if you are working on a network topology, you can't use the same IP address on both device. So, bam. So, the format of an IP address or the Internet Protocol address is a 32-bit numeric address written as four numbers separated by periods. Okay, so for example is 192.168.0.1 or 192.168.0.2. Okay, so each number can be 0 up to 255. So for example is 1.160.10.240. Okay, so as you can see there are four dots there, so four periods that are separating each numbers. So within an isolated area, you can assign IP addresses at random as long as each one of the IP addresses that you create is unique. Okay, so it must be unique. That's the most important part. So there are two types of IP address. So the first one is static IP address, and the next is the dynamic IP address. So static IP address will never change, and it is permanent internet address. And the dynamic IP address is a temporary address that is assigned each time a computer or device accesses the internet. Okay, so the difference between those two types of IP address is that static IP address never change. Okay, it is permanent IP address, and the dynamic IP address is just a temporary IP address that is assigned each time you access internet on your computer or desktops. So if you want to know what your IP address is, this is one way to view your IP address. So you can use the command prompt or the CMD on your laptop or PC. Then uh, insert the or type the command ipconfig. So ipconfig command displays all current TCP or IP network configuration values. Okay. So you will search on your Windows, type CMD, and then type ipconfig and press the enter key, and there you will know what your IP address is. Okay, so our next topic for today is about number systems. So these are the number systems, the decimal, binary, octal, and hexadecimal. So first the decimal. Okay, so decimal has the base of 10. So these are any numbers using 10 digits. So which is 0 to 9. And next is the binary, which has the base of 2 and represents using the numbers using two digits only, the 0 and 1. And next is the octal has the base of 8. Okay, so it represents any number using 8 digits from 0 to 7. So next, last is the hexadecimal, which has the base of 16. So it represents any number using 10 digits and 6 characters. So those digits and characters are 0 to 9 and A to F. Okay. Decimal is a term that describes the base of 10. Okay. Its base is 10, base 10 number system. So probably most of the commonly used number uh, the decimal number system consists of 10 single digit numbers. So the 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So the number after 19 is 20 and so forth. Okay. So additional powers of 10 require the addition of another positional digits. So hexadecimal numbers are numbers that consist of six. It is made up of 16 symbols. Okay, so which are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9, then A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay, so those letters are have their values. So A is for 10, B is for 11, C 12, D 13, E 14, and F is equals to 15. Okay. So next is binary. Okay. So next is binary numbers. So these numbers are consist of numbers 0 and 1. Okay, it is only two symbols, the 0 and 1. So it's like as we all know, computers only reads 0 and 1s. Okay, so they are converted to hexadecimal or anything that you can. Okay, shit. Delete. Okay, so next is binary numbers. So binary number is expressed in the base of two numeral system or binary numeral system. So it uses two symbols. It uses only two symbols, two numbers, which is zeros and ones. Okay. So each digit there, thus each digit that you see there, the 0 and 1, is called a bit. Okay. So because of its straightforward implementation in digital electronic circuitry using logic gates, the binary system is used by almost all modern computers and computer-based devices. So octal, okay, so octal numeral system or oct for short. So from the word octal, so it has the base of 8. So it uses the digits from 0 to 7. So octal numerals can be made from binary numerals by grouping consecutive binary digits into groups of 3 starting from the right. So for example, the binary representation for decimal 74 is 10011010. So next is binary numbers. So these numbers are consist of numbers 0 and 1. Okay, it is only two symbols, the 0 and 1. So it's like as we all know, computers only reads 0 and 1s. Okay, so they are converted to hexadecimal or anything that you can. Okay, shit. Delete. Okay, so next is binary numbers. So binary number is expressed in the base of two numeral system or binary numeral system. So it uses two symbols. It uses only two symbols, two numbers, which is zeros and ones. Okay. So each digit there, thus each digit that you see there, the 0 and 1, is called a bit. Okay. So because of its straightforward implementation in digital electronic circuitry using logic gates. The binary system is used by almost all modern computers and computer-based devices. So it is because, as we all know, computer devices only reads binaries. It only reads zeros and ones and convert it